Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I am Pratik, and in today's video we are deep diving into the core building block of any SwiftUI application, that is view and modifier. Whether you are building a simple to-do app or full-scale iOS application, understanding how view and modifier work is absolutely essential. So let's get started. What is view in SwiftUI? In SwiftUI, view is any visual element like text, image, button, or even a custom layout. Everything you can see on screen is a view. Okay, and they can be combined together and build a complex UI. Here this text is a built-in view, and its simplest example of SwiftUI in action. Okay, now what are modifier? Okay, modifier are used to customize view. Think of them as a styling tools. They return a new view every time they are applied. For example, here we need to apply font. Okay, like see. So here we combine view with modifier, and it will return a single view, and it will render that view. See the result. If I need to apply foreground color, let's say blue, see the result. If I apply padding, if I remove that padding, so it's combination of view and modifier and generate a single view, and that single view will render here. So here for modifier, order is matter. Okay, let's see with example like how it will impact. For example, here let's say we can apply background color, let's say color dot blue. Okay, now here we can add one more text. Here we can apply padding before background color, and here we can apply after background color. See the result. So for modifier, orders are matter. SwiftUI allow you to create reusable view to keep your code clean and modularized. So for that we need to create custom view, and that custom view we need to reuse. So let's start with that. So from here I am creating new, let's say my custom button. So we can create one custom button. Okay, see the now for button we have title, so we can create one property for that. Now that now let's set that property as an title. Okay, now title with we can add some padding, let's say padding 1 minute. Here we need to set that title, so tap me. Okay, now we can set background color, let's say color dot blue. We can set the font color, let's say white. We can also add some corner radius, let's say 8 pixel. Okay, now here we have created that custom component. Okay, that is custom button. Now we can reuse that button. So here earlier we have already created that view, so inside that how we can use. See the result. See, tap me. If you need to create another button, tap me. Let's say 1 2 3. See the result. Now if you want to let's say if you want to change that font color white to red, so in simplest way you can directly change from here, and it will be applied everywhere wherever you have used. So using that way you can create custom view. Now that's it for this video. Now when you start implementing, keep your view small and focus. Reuse view wherever possible and experiment with different modifiers so you can understand their behavior. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss the next video. Thank you.